Freelance Programming. 10 lucrative ways you can turn your coding skills into a profitable career. With the demand for tech talent constantly on the rise, freelancing as a programmer has become more accessible and rewarding than ever. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, these strategies can help you monetize your coding prowess. 1. Web development. Offer your services as a freelance web developer. Create stunning websites for businesses, individuals, or organizations. Master popular technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and frameworks like React or Angular. A well-designed website can open doors to a steady stream of freelance gigs. 2. Mobile app development. Dive into the world of mobile apps. Develop applications for Android and iOS platforms. With smartphones being ubiquitous, businesses are constantly looking for skilled app developers. Master languages like Java, Kotlin, Swift, or Flutter to create innovative and user-friendly mobile applications. 3. Software development. Offer software development services to businesses in need of customized solutions. Develop applications tailored to their specific requirements. Master languages like Python, Java, or C# for versatile software development opportunities. Automation scripts, business applications, or specialized tools, the possibilities are vast. 4. Game development. If you have a passion for gaming, explore freelance opportunities in game development. Develop games for various platforms, including consoles, PC, or mobile devices. Master game engines like Unity or Unreal Engine. Game development combines creativity and technical skills, making it an exciting freelance niche. 5. WordPress development. Specialize in WordPress development. Create custom themes, plugins, or websites using WordPress. Many businesses and bloggers use WordPress, creating a constant demand for skilled developers. Mastering the WordPress ecosystem can lead to a steady flow of freelance projects. 6. E-commerce development. Dive into the world of online commerce. Develop e-commerce websites using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. Businesses need secure and user-friendly online stores. E-commerce development skills are highly sought after, offering lucrative freelance opportunities. 7. API development. Master API, Application Programming Interface, development. Many companies require custom APIs to integrate services or enhance functionality. Develop APIs for web applications, mobile apps, or IoT devices. API development expertise can lead to high-paying freelance contracts. 8. Cybersecurity consulting. Specialize in cybersecurity services. Businesses are increasingly concerned about their digital security. Offer services like vulnerability assessments, penetration testing, or security audits. Help businesses secure their systems and data. Cybersecurity expertise is invaluable in today's digital landscape. 9. Data science and analytics. Dive into the world of data. Master data analysis, machine learning, or artificial intelligence. Businesses rely on data-driven insights for decision-making. Offer services in data visualization, predictive modeling, or data mining. Data science skills are in high demand and can lead to well-paying freelance projects. 10. Online coding courses and tutoring. Share your knowledge through online coding courses or tutoring. Platforms like Udemy or Skillshare allow you to create and sell coding courses. Alternatively, offer one-on-one tutoring sessions to aspiring developers. Teaching others not only generates income but also solidifies your own understanding of programming concepts. Remember, continuous learning and staying updated with the latest technologies are essential in the fast-paced world of programming. Remote bookkeeping. 10 profitable methods you can turn your knack for numbers into a profitable career, all from the comfort of your home. With businesses and individuals seeking financial expertise, remote bookkeeping has become a high-demand field. Whether you're a certified accountant or just passionate about keeping financial records in order, these strategies can help you monetize your skills. 1. Freelance bookkeeping services. Offer freelance bookkeeping services to small businesses or entrepreneurs. Maintain their financial records, track expenses, and prepare financial statements. Freelancing offers flexibility and the potential to work with multiple clients. 2. Virtual CFO services. As a virtual Chief Financial Officer, CFO, assist businesses in making strategic financial decisions. Offer financial planning, budgeting, and financial analysis services. Your expertise can help businesses thrive, and you can charge for your CFO services. 3. Online accounting software consulting. Specialize in online accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero. Businesses often need guidance in setting up and using these platforms effectively. Provide consulting services to help businesses navigate the software and maintain accurate records. 4. Tax preparation services. Become a remote tax preparer. Offer tax filing services for individuals and businesses. Help clients maximize deductions, minimize liabilities, and ensure compliance with tax regulations. Tax season can be a lucrative time for remote tax preparers. 5. Financial analysis and reporting. Provide in-depth financial analysis and reporting services. Businesses often need insights into their financial performance. Create customized financial reports, perform trend analysis, and offer recommendations for financial improvement. 6. Industry-specific bookkeeping. Specialize in a specific industry, such as healthcare, real estate, or e-commerce. Industry-specific knowledge can lead to higher-paying bookkeeping opportunities. Understand the unique financial needs of your chosen industry to provide tailored services. 7. Certified Public Accountant, CPA, services. If you're a certified accountant, offer your CPA services remotely. Perform audits, provide financial consulting, and assist with tax compliance. Being a CPA can lead to well-paying remote accounting opportunities. 8. Financial planning and investment advice. Offer financial planning and investment advisory services. Help individuals and businesses make informed investment decisions. Offer advice on portfolio diversification, retirement planning, and wealth management. 9. Online bookkeeping courses. Share your bookkeeping knowledge through online courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare allow you to monetize your expertise and help others learn bookkeeping skills. Teaching can generate a passive income stream. 10. Accounting software development and consulting. If you have programming skills, develop accounting software or applications for businesses. Alternatively, consult with businesses on adopting and integrating accounting software solutions. Custom software development can lead to profitable contracts. Remember, accuracy, attention to detail, and a solid understanding of financial principles are your best assets in this field. Remote IT support. 10 effective ideas you can turn your technical expertise into a profitable career, all from the comfort of your home office. With businesses and individuals relying heavily on technology, remote IT support has become an indispensable service. Whether you're a seasoned IT professional or a tech-savvy individual, these strategies can help you monetize your skills. 1. Help desk support. Offer remote help desk services to businesses. Assist users with technical issues, troubleshoot software problems, and provide guidance. Help desk support is essential for businesses, and many are willing to pay for expert assistance. 2. Remote desktop support. Provide remote desktop assistance to clients. Use software like TeamViewer or AnyDesk to connect to their computers and resolve technical issues. Remote desktop support allows you to troubleshoot complex problems without being physically present. 3. Network troubleshooting. Specialize in remote network troubleshooting. Identify and resolve network issues, optimize performance, and ensure secure connections. Businesses rely on stable networks, making your expertise valuable in the remote IT support industry. 4. Cybersecurity consultation. Offer remote cybersecurity consultation services. Help businesses assess their security measures, identify vulnerabilities, and provide recommendations for improvement. Cybersecurity is a top priority for companies, making your expertise highly sought after. 5. Cloud computing support. Become a remote cloud computing expert. Assist businesses in migrating to cloud platforms, manage cloud resources, and troubleshoot cloud-related issues. With the rise of cloud technology, businesses need knowledgeable professionals to guide them. 6. Remote server administration. Specialize in remote server administration. Manage servers, configure settings, and ensure optimal performance. Many businesses operate on servers, and your remote administration services can save them time and resources. 7. IT project management. Offer remote IT project management services. Plan, execute, and oversee IT projects for businesses. Project management skills combined with technical expertise are highly valuable in the IT industry. 8. Remote technical training. Develop and offer online IT training courses. Teach technical skills, software usage, or certification preparation. Platforms like Udemy or Coursera allow you to monetize your knowledge and help others enhance their IT skills. 9. IoT device support. Specialize in supporting IoT devices. With the proliferation of smart devices, businesses and individuals often need assistance in connecting, configuring, and troubleshooting IoT gadgets. Your expertise in IoT technology can be in high demand. 10. IT consultancy for small businesses. Provide remote IT consultancy services to small businesses. Help them optimize their IT infrastructure, choose appropriate software and hardware, and provide ongoing support. Small businesses often lack in-house IT expertise, making your services invaluable. Whether you're resolving technical issues, securing networks, or teaching others, your IT skills are incredibly valuable in our digital age.